Welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of iCloud on your MacBook Pro. So let's get started right away since the process is quite easy. First of all, go ahead and click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of your screen. Now in the pop-up, click on System Preferences. Navigate to the Apple ID option at the top right and then click on Overview on the left hand side. Now click on the Sign Out button in the pop-up at the bottom and you will be able to log out of iCloud on your MacBook Pro. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.